Hey everybody. So I use the Graco Nasal Clear Aspirator on my son, and I bought this one and it was working great at first, but almost like maybe 2 minutes later it stopped working. And it was really frustrating, and I couldn't figure out why because it's brand new and also the batteries are brand new. But my husband started playing around with it and he found a really simple way that you can fix it. No tools are required, so I'm going to let him take over and explain how to do it.
So we have the Graco aspirator here. As you can see, if you were to test it out, there would be no suction on this as what we experience. So I'm just going to test it real quick just to kind of give you a feel. So we started to tinker around with it and we asked ourselves, well, shouldn't there be more suction coming out of this? So if you unscrew the case down here, take that off, you should see that there's a filter. So I know what the instruction manual may say, but we decided to take this filter off. Let me just get that off real quick. There you go.
You just popped it off?
Just popped it off. And so you'll see that there's a little white cloth or barrier here, a filter. Now, we decided to take this off. So as you can see, just pull this off. So just pull this off underneath the filter. As you can see what it looks like a little bit. And it came from right here. So we use just really your fingernails to kind of peel it off. Then we put the piece back on. Put it in there. And then you screw this back in its place. Make sure the line's up evenly. Try it out.
Now there's a lot more suction.
And there you have it. That's how you'll fix that little pesky problem.
Thanks for watching.
Have you ever felt